Alright guys, here it is, the unopening of the Walters Railroad shops. You can see it's kind of like the car shops again, just a little bit extended piece on the back. It is part number 9332970. And this is a very heavy box with a bunch of stuff in it, so let's see what's inside here. If I can even get it off. Hang on. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Information card, Model Railroad magazine, decals. Yay! What do the decals say? If I can get it. No clearance, rail building number. Yeah, I won't be using any of the Sacramento or Paducas or Altoonas. But a bunch of these I'll be able to use. The keep out stuff and the car shop and the building number. And golly, this is a heavy thing. I bet this thing weighs at least 3 pounds. Packed all nice. There's the instruction thing. There's the base. Look, it's 2 bases. So hang on a second. Let me get this opened up and spread out on the table. Be right back. Let me do this from the back here. And we'll look at the, yeah, it's more than 1 page. It's a double fold. There is the part number in case you're wanting to get it. A little brief history. Oh boy, glasses, glass. Doors. Putting together, yep, that's an extension bottom piece on there. And the back. And then again. It tells you to put this on last, and I have a funny feeling that it's going to be just like the other one, and you're going to need to put the top on first, but we shall see. So, and this thing you can have another one added right side by side to it to make one big building. You can read Challenger 399 or Challenger 99. You can look on my table. He's got an elaborate setup, very nicely done, which I got my idea from. But this looks like it. So that's the opening. This is going to be quite the extensive chore here, I do believe. That's the roof and one of the things, and there's inspection pits. And it'll be together like that, so you can kind of get an idea. It's going to be a big model, so, and it's nice to see the acrylic all packed in the glass and each plastic sleeve. That'll definitely keep it from scratching up, and hopefully they'll be oversized as well. The sides, I've seen that before. So this is all brown stuff. And here's one of the beams that I was talking about. It's one. I'm guessing there's another one in here somewhere. But the one in the car shop just straight. It doesn't have that angled pitch to it. But these are all the supports for the cranes right here, if they want to go, that support that. And here are the window frames. Lots and lots of windows, and the roof. And here are the other 3 supports. So, and the rest of the stuff is in here. This is for the top vents and stuff. Not sure what that long piece is, but that's something. But there it is, all opened up. So time to get busy cutting, and I'll probably do this in part 2 to see how the windows and stuff behave and let you guys know. But anyway, that's it. Authors and Car Shop. What's this thing called again? Railroad Shop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Later.